Agweni Jod Bura Makip Kelion East, Jagoro Makupete, County Makericho, Kachel Ginya Wadgimari Rokmaju Puny Mana, Toko Dulmandi Kujupuny TSC, Modomedu Keti Jupuny Mia Birio Prangwen Kodario Manyocha Uriembi Teach, Banganyo Manyo Bagi Pachuka. Jotelo gikoni piny owacho chumenda mandi kujupuny go eyo mongirore. Kendo ko winjore wegi oke kide ma jowete gi to rito mondo mi ondik gi eyo mongirore. Rokma jopuny ma Kupet motelo ne osingo mar kawo kang ne duol mandi kujupuny TSC, ponyo kidoko jopuny go e tich.
Hata kama wakufundisha tusaidie hawa, na ningependa mimi mwenyewe nipate kutoa maombi ya dharura hasa kwa minister na TSC ministry yote kwamba tafadhalini hawa tuachilie hawa, na pia kama watu wameomba msamaha wacha waendelee kwa kazi.
Most of those teachers replied to the show cause letters. Most of those teachers reported immediately to school. They were present for retooling 100%. We didn't expect to receive the show cause letters, and when we received them and answered, then we were slapped with termination of contract. We really condemn this, and we ask our commission to take it up and to consider that step.
Mheshimiwa, what we are asking you, and we believe in you, is that let us not have even a single teacher awe amefutwa kazi. To use the same budget that you are going to observe all of them into permanent and pensionable